full kit, ouwe, overnighter. It's crazy, man. Is goed gefixt, ouwe.
Take care about nature. Get weer vol, hè?
Why not be a member of the Thomas tier? Thomas tier for them carrots, man. Them carrots. Thomas got his fan club. And it'd be more in Thomas's fan club than our fan club. That would be the aim. Or we carve people's name in the carrot and then give it to them. This one is from Johnny. And this one is from Teddy. Huh? That'd be cool, man.
How? What do you think? How does it go?
Are you tired?
No.
Not at all.
No, but I think there are more efficient saws.
Well, go on, get one then. Sick, Silky.
You say you get a proper American one of these. It doesn't have to be American, but they cost you $200. I think you go twice as fast.
Okay.
Please.
Yeah, it'd be interesting.
And I think that's worth it.
Oh, you gotta love straight grain, huh?
I got some nice food for you tonight. Some venison. Oh, Bolt. Oh, cute little boy.
What have we there then?
Yeah, post. Our post. Am I opening it?
Yes.
Holy ouwe. Look at that.
Yeah, it's a very traditional European machete.
Billhook. And who sent this to us, man?
Connor, a
Connor.
blacksmith from Ireland.
And you made it?
Yes.
Wow, wow.
But we need to make a handle.
in a way, this is the same as the, you know, the more carving knives. So you have a handle and with a hole in it, and you put it over it, and then you cap the end.
Yeah, but how do you cap it?
Well, you heat it up and you mushroom it out.
Oh, okay, yeah.
But you need to put a washer on it first.
Yeah, but that's the way to go.
Cool, well, thanks, Connor, eh?
Mm-hmm.
Today we eat Irish stew with venison meat and brown beer. The deer I found in the forest. It was gut shot, and the hunter must have done a bad job losing track of the animal and leaving it in the forest. Besides plants, I only eat wild meats for environmental reasons, so I took the opportunity to practice skinning a deer and obtained a free and sustainable meal from the forest. Gut-shot meat can quickly go bad as bacteria of the guts contaminate the meat. The deer was skinned within 12 hours of it being shot. We harvested the legs, back straps and neck and left the intestines in place. After a week of aging the meat, here we are for a feast in the forest.
Homemade, man, that's gonna be the best. So what kind of beer do we have? That real authentic I call it done. Hey? Smells bloody good, doesn't it? Roast hour, enjoy.
It's so good that I dropped my spoon.
Grab a carrot.
All the veggies are from the garden, and I think the carrots had the carrot flies. Let's say one of the most sustainable foods we could possibly eat here in the bush.
Yeah. Ah, yes. All that raw meat, man. Nom, nom, nom.
Are you mood fixed?
Did you get me?
I think there's something there on the right. Oh, where you are, me!
Dude.
Mood.
I could see it happening. He was like Go like this, you know? Oh.
What a spontaneous waking up shot, man.
Well, I was already walking, wasn't I?
Yes, but I like to think not.
This is not. This is 90-year-old love. Dirty.
Gefixt.
Oh. Good old porridge breakfast, man. Sure, winter sleeping bag. It was borderline too warm, which is good. It's a good complaint, I suppose.
I had a summer sleeping bag, but luckily enough, we have woolen blankets these days. And these were sent by a subscriber. Thank you so much.
Mine is hanging up there. I put mine on the bottom as an extra ground barrier, which is nice.
I put them in the sleeping bag. They're US Army woolen blankets.
They're nice, man, aren't they?
But the fact is, if you bring this as well with your sleeping bag, things get bulky, packing everything.
That's true.
Thanks, Niri J. Madsen
Yeah.
from Norway.
Niri.
J. Madsen.
We probably pronounce it badly, but no, it's greatly appreciated. They're amazing blankets, man.
Yeah, and also a reminder, folks, Christmas is coming. You guys start prepping your gifts for Christmas.
Just, you can skip it for a year, man. It doesn't matter.
What doesn't matter?
You can skip Christmas for a year. It's fine. There's no worries. There's no hard feelings. You'll be fine. You'll live.
Is that the message you want to carry over?
Well, I like what you're saying, right?
Yeah.
You're saying, don't be a part of all this craziness, right? And make something, right? From your locality or whatever, and it has a lot more meaning, right? And you know, like, there's nothing else in the world that is like this, you know?
So just to give you some ideas, a bowl you could make, spatulas, they're easy to make.
Yeah, but then again,
spoon,
I was looking
making.
my subscriptions in YouTube in the evenings, you know, watching a bit of YouTube, and it's one after the other. Christmas this, Christmas that, don't forget and do this and this. Jesus Christ, man.
Yeah, but all you need is a good carving set, and you can do some crafts for your loved ones at Christmas.
Not only at Christmas, for yourself, in your own kitchen.
Dylan doesn't like Christmas.
For birthdays, right? For any occasion, man. Any occasion.
Santa won't be happy hearing your thoughts about Christmas, Dylan.
Smooth Santa. No, it's what they teach the kids, that the robins are Santa's helper. So they check on you and make sure you're doing good, and then by the time Santa comes along, he knows all about you. What you've been up to.
You too, Dylan. What have you been up to? Hating on Santa. Santa is not going to be happy. No presents for you this year. Ha ha. Ha ha.
I hope.
Yeah, and these utensils actually are for the smoothest of all patrons. And we have Ken. Thank you, Ken. And Tony. And my friend from the Netherlands. They get also a spoon. Ko and Jelle. Thank you.
Yeah, nice one.
And actually we used this spatula once for smooth fixed cook-off.
Yeah.
But they will still be sanded and oiled. Thanks, folks.
Yeah, nice one.
Yeah, we do monthly updates now on the Patreon. The first monthly update is publicly available. Yeah, the Thomas tier, hè? Thomas tier.
Thomas here. Get yourself a carrot for Thomas, man.
Next time you see us here, maybe we have a roof on.
We're a bit in denial, aren't we? It's just having it in the house. There's no roof on it. Alright, nice one.
Thanks for watching, and if you liked this video, I would recommend you to watch our wild food and roundhouse building series. See you on the next one.